Starting a business in one day is a challenging task, as it typically requires a lot of planning, research, and preparation. However, there are some steps you can take to get your business up and running as quickly as possible. 1. Identify your target market. Who is your business going to serve? What products or services will you offer? 2. Determine your business structure. Will you be a sole proprietorship, partnership, or cooperation? Each has its own benefits and drawbacks, so choose the one that best fits your needs. 3. Set up a business bank account. This will help you keep your personal and business finances separate and make it easier to track your business income and expenses. 4. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Depending on your business, you may need to obtain a business license or other permits to operate legally. 5. Create a website, even if you're just starting out. Having a professional-looking website is essential for attracting customers and building your brand. 6. Promote your business. Use social media, networking events, and other marketing strategies to let people know about your business and what you have to offer. Starting a business is a big undertaking, and it's important to take the time to carefully plan and prepare for success. While it may not be possible to start a business in one day, following these steps can help you get your business up and running as quickly as possible. Here are some examples of businesses: a retail store that sells clothing, electronics, or other consumer goods; a restaurant that serves food and drinks; an accounting firm that provides financial services to individuals and businesses; a marketing agency that helps businesses promote their products or services; a consulting firm that advises businesses on strategy and management;